Yeah. Back in the
That's my friend Dequan.
What?
Dequan. He had to use the bathroom.
But
he had to use the bathroom. Yeah.
Dequan, nous tout ça qu'on a là. Tout sorti, ok?
Come on, Dad.
M'ge pou payer là. Américain,
Yeah.
oui. Ou porter black américain là pour venir voir.
He has to use the bathroom.
Okay. Please, my friend, I need to go to work because I need to be paid the bills. Okay? I give you 5 minutes to get out of the bathroom so I can be take a shower. Okay? Please, my friend, 5 minutes. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. Oh. God, man. Come on, man. Oh, shit, man. Mon chien. Tout bail là quand même. Quand y a Michel vinn là pour faire des respect dans quand même. Puis blanc américain vinn dans quand même faire bail bullshit. Blanc américain ça vinn dans quand même. Yo cause ça, pas comprendre bail comme ça arrivé. Please. Get out! Right now. Get out! Can I wash my hands? Maybe you don't understand, my friend. We got a kitchen sink, okay? After they busy, you can wash your hands. You go home. That's it. Pay fly, look, I pay go pay me. Mbaka pay look, I went.
I just got done. I'm coming out right now.
Listen, maybe you don't understand. Okay, after the bees, look at shit all over the place. Don't make it sense. I mean, I'm in the house. I'm in this house. I smell the shit. The house.
Look, man, I said I'm overdone.
Yes, I'm fair, sir. C'est quand même le boss. C'est le père de là, le boss. I'll tell P, I'm coming back later, man. Hey! What you wait?
Nothing, I just stepped on the curtain real quick.
My friend, I'm paid $70.
I just came out just fresh.